Hey guys, welcome back to yet another helpful video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to change aspect ratio in Midjourney. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to change the aspect ratio, you just simply have to open your Discord server and then open this Midjourney bot at first. Then after that, into this section you just simply have to type command and imagine. Then write your prompt into here, and then after writing the stylization you just simply have to type double dash and then type AR and space and then the aspect ratio that you want with the generated image. I'm typing the aspect ratio with 16:9. Then just simply send your command. Then after this, Midjourney will take short while to process your command or prompt, and then it will create the results for you. Just simply wait a while. As you can see here, Midjourney is already created my extra scary cyberpunk style dog with a gun and a cool hat, most importantly in the aspect ratio of 16:9. This way you can easily change the aspect ratio of the image in the Midjourney. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.